Good evening, everyone. Just log in with your mail ID and all. Go to your hackathon page. Open that all. So we'll wait for everyone. Okay, those who are joining, we'll wait for 3 minutes so you guys can complete your all proceedings. But you are okay. Good evening. Good evening. Then. So the older students will practice their older projects and we were on the level I guess 22-3. You can see that and we'll start with that. Okay, in today's session. So just log in and start doing. We were I guess on 23 as well. Good evening everyone. So we're gonna start with that. The login process as I every day I say how to go, where to go. It's www.icode.org. You have to go on this site. Okay, no worries, no worries. If it's not starting. So once you go over here, you know where to go. Those who are new, they can go on to this website and then click on Global Hackathon. Here is for the Global Hackathon and click on Global Hackathon. Okay. So once you click on Global Hackathon, it will open a page where it will display all the necessary details about the hackathon, when it will take place, and you can see national finance, regional finance, global finance, and all. Okay. And after that, two people are left. Okay. And after that, if you have registered, then that's fine. If not, just register yourself by clicking on register now. And if you have registered before, just click on already signed up. And if you have not registered, then please try to register today. I guess everyone is registered, and then try to put your email when you click on that. Already signed up, try to put the email address, click on send verification code. And then we're gonna get 161678. 161678. Okay. So last time, I guess we were on the level. We did that 23, right? 24. So we're gonna start with that. Let's see how your spaceship is. Okay, spaceship is like that. Okay, so it's facing towards this side. How you gonna? I'll give you a hint first. Just try to collect these two items. Okay, and then you go for other items. Don't directly go over here and then collect. And you first collect this one, and then you go for these. So use one by one every block and see how you can do it. Complete it. Okay, the 24th one. Okay, you can, if you have done, you can just put me the message. Code one. So, please explain how to use this primary activity and also. Okay, let me see how you can. Okay, okay. Not opening for us. Bye-bye. It's easy. Okay. So first block, what will be the first block of this code? The very first block. I need to check this with everyone. Those who are doing this level or have done what you have used as your first two blocks. Spaceship turn right to time. Correct. That's only what. See, your spaceship is right now facing this side. He needs to go this side. Correct. Back side. So you need to rotate it two times. Inside repeat. Correct. Correct. Yes, you are right. No spaceship move. Priyan. Spaceship move 10, 5. Okay. So first block, whatever you will use is spaceship move two times. Okay, sorry, inside repeat it will go, spaceship will go turn right or left, whatever. Okay, so it will face this side. Now someone has taken spaceship will go 5 steps. Okay, why? I told you, I gave you a hint that first they need this spaceship needs to collect the right hand side one item. Then it will go to this side to collect. Okay, so 10 steps and all what you are saying in the chat, that's okay, but it will take lots of blocks. When you come over here, he will collect this again, go back, come over here and then collect it. Instead of using all those longer blocks, children, just go for the right hand side, collect these blocks first, and then you collect all the other items. Got it? First collect the right hand side one, then you go for the other items. I'll tell you how. See, spaceship will turn this side, okay? He's over here. He will move one step, turn right and move how much step? One, two, three, four steps. Okay. Two, three, one, two, three. Okay. Correct. So what it will do? Spaceship will move one step after repeat. Spaceship will turn right. Again it will move this step and spaceship will move. Same thing will happen here also. Two times spaceship will move. One, two, three, four. To see how it will go. Four will be here and this will be also one step and this will be one, two, three, four will be this one. So see how it works for this much of food. It turned right, gone over there, collected the items, again come back. Now he needs to turn right to collect all those left. Right. So now what he gonna do is he has come over here, he will turn right. Okay, from here he will turn right and now when he comes over here, he is gonna move how much steps? One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 steps. Okay. Spaceship turn right, spaceship 7 steps. Again he will turn right. One, two, 3 steps. Three steps in here. He comes over here. Again right. Okay. He turns right. Become one, 2 steps. Spaceship turn right. Spaceship move 2 steps or here. Again turn right and move 1 step. To collect this item. Now in left side, spaceship turn left. Spaceship turn left. And 1, 2, 3. Spaceship move 3 steps. Food will be big for the fight. 3 steps. 2 steps. And then spaceship move 3 steps. He comes over here. Left and 3 again. Now see what is happening. Anywhere some mistake will be there, we'll sort it out. If it is collecting all these items or not. Yes, we'll check it out with this. So how what was happening? Someone told something like it will move 10 steps. Nowhere it will move 10 steps, child. Okay, nowhere it will move. Some others repeat to 10 spaceship turn right, spaceship move 1 turn right, spaceship move 4. Yes, repeat to 10 spaceship turn right, spaceship move 4. Then spaceship move 7. No, spaceship move 4, then spaceship turn right and move 7. Again, turn right is coming probably 10. Okay, maximum times for turning right, but there is no something like in spaceship. Why people are running? When is our examination? Okay, your hackathon one. Okay, it in it's in the October, I guess. In the October after 15th, you will have your hackathon. The date. It's still not released. It will be released soon. So just remember, it will be after 15th. Okay, in the last of October or in the first of November. Okay, date is not revealed yet. So what was I telling? Yeah, I was telling you that I've told you that spaceship never moves back. Means never move back means there is no minus step in a spaceship. We never used it. For moving a spaceship to a backside, we just need to do one thing. We need to take a repeat 2 times and just turn it left or right inside that spaceship. So that we did. So someone was saying move 5 steps, 10 steps. Nowhere we have used any 10 steps block, children. So please don't use 10 steps. Nowhere you have to go 10 steps. Okay. Maximum 7 step it has to go till here. Now, filters of coding is quite big for this. Yeah, because there are lots of items and there is no shortcut for this to collect. You have to go through these part only. There is no shortcut. You can go and collect it. Okay, so you have to use this block. Turn right, maximum time it is turning right. Okay, here right, here also right, here right, here. Now from here it comes to left inside the these blocks. Okay, and once you do it okay correctly, it will collect all the items. Okay, so there is no sequence coming in the spaceship so that we take some other loops inside it, like we take a repeat inside it. So it is coming 4 7 3 2 1 like that. Okay, from here to here. I hope everyone is done with this quickly and run it and move to the next one. Okay, okay. Now comes here this one. Quite interesting. Do it very, let's check it. If there are some loops, if there are some blocks which are repeating. So if it is repeating 2 3 times, just take a loop. Repeat. Okay, check it. First, try to do it with taking all the blocks one by one. Let the code be bigger, and then you see if there are some repeat blocks which you can fit, and you can make the code small. Then it will use less number of blocks, and you get more stars for that. First, you try to do it manually, like they move 1 step right, move 2 steps, turn left like that. Okay. So first, try to do it. Yes. Okay. And let's check it. Not opening Aditya your file. Okay. Study on the screen is black. Okay. Anyone who cracked it? Aditya, your PNG is not visible when I'm downloading it and looking at it. I'll tell. I've shown you how to use that loop. Repeat, I guess, in the last code. I guess you didn't pay attention in this last code where I showed you how to use a loop. Now, children are using it like when they were turning two times track. Okay, you have done it before, so you will be able to do it. It is quite easy, correct. Nothing to do with this one, just you need to move one step. Okay, move this right one step, turn right. Okay, he comes over here, turns right, and move one step. Again, turn left, move one step, turn right, move one step, turn left, move two steps. Again, turn right, move two steps, turn left, move two steps, turn right, move two steps, turn left, move three steps, turn right, move three steps, turn left, move three steps, and turn right, move three steps. First, try to do with this code, and then you see if you can minimize it with repeat somewhere. And yeah, there is, I remember for this one that there is some repeat used because you will see turn right three steps, turn left three steps, turn right three from here to there. From here to here, you will see you will use repeat two times. Yeah. So what Both. Everyone is able to do this. I'll first show how that. Hmm. You can use A also, correct variable. Then also this code is so big. Hmm. Now you see why I am telling you to do one by one block wise thing. You'll see that. I guess this is Aditya code, correct? Okay, Aditya. Yeah, you have used your variable A for this one. No worries. You are able to do this with variables. Fine. I'll show you how what I was saying you. Dave step one. Okay, comes over here. Dave turns right. Just look at it. Dave turns right. Dave turns right. Move one step. Okay. Move one step. Turn right. Move one step. Now turn left. Move one step. Move one step. Again, turn right. Move one step. Okay. Turn right. Move one step. And turn left. Move two steps. So you will see. Just see this code. Yes. Move two steps till here. Okay, now he will turn right again. They turn right, move two steps. They turn left, move two steps. Okay, right two step, move two steps. Again, right two steps. Left three steps. Left three step, right three steps. Left three step, right three steps. That's it. Right three steps, left three steps. Again, right three steps. Just see for this right now. If it is correct, and then see where to minimize it. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Now we'll see how we can minimize it. Code is big, right? Obviously, it's big. Sir, can you once explain how to do this? Okay, uh, you can use A instead of that one step. Just set your A to any value one, okay, or yeah, set it to one, of course. And instead of dev step, you can use A instead of their one. And then you can use using variables. Okay, set your A to some value like 1, and where there is div 1, just take, instead of 1 you use A over there. Okay, suppose you are taking set A to 1, Okay. Now Dev step 1, which will be used as Dev step A, like this. Okay, where there is Dev step 2. Okay, there you can use this block, okay, plus, and you can use A plus 1. So like this you can use using variables also. It's all upon you. Okay, how you use it. Now Dev step 1 turn right, Dev step 1 turn left, Dev step 1 turn. Same, both of them are same, correct? 2. Both of them are same. See, Dev step 1, Dev turn right, Dev step 1, Dev turn right, Dev step 1, Dev turn left. So that's gone. These blocks, you don't need to do that. Now, coming to this one. Why I am telling you every time this logic we can apply and check. Now you can see there's step 2, Dev turn right, there's step 2, Dev turn left, there's step 2, Dev turn right. Same, again repeat. See how small your code becomes now. There's step 3, turn right, 3, 3, 3. Okay, here I guess you have to use one more thing, that is Dev turn right. Just to here and just check, these two are also same. Again one more repeat. 2. See, your code becomes now smaller. Right? This is how you're gonna make your use your loop. And who was asking me about the loop and variable, I explained loop is this one. You can use your repeat. Okay, you can use your repeat where you can see the codes are repeating. Okay, there you use that repeat. I have taken repeat 2 times. Ayushman Goel, I have done like this. Okay, very good. Sir, I corrected. Okay, 2 times. Okay, sir. I use repeat. I corrected. I show it wrong. Okay. So now you see how much big the code was and how repeat loop just made it small, because you can see all these are repeating. Okay, 2 times. Sometimes you will see in some code it is repeating 3 times. Just take a repeat instead of that. You use less number of blocks, then that's fine. That means you know the logic. I've done like this. Okay, good. Those who have done like this, very good. But remember, if you have want to do this, everyone, you want to do like this, first try to code it with the bigger blocks, means taking all the blocks. After that, you see where the repeats are, and then you try to do it. See, this 36 step was needed, you did it. Just loop, it is telling you do it with variables when you practice another thing. Okay, right now for cracking, we will use it with repeat. Sorry. So now quickly just next one. Next one also you'll see the step of repeat and all you over there. Only one item. Simple. The simplest code between label 21 to 30. The third one. And what about uh, let me see your passage. It will tell who is doing that and who is not. And mother. Child Priyan, you are able to do the label. Child, give the thumbs up if you are doing it. Okay, great. You are on which label? Just type your label name on in the chat. Okay. Culture joined with two devices. Okay. So let me see. Okay. Yeah. No. Vaibhav. Vaibhav, you are able to do the label. Vaibhav Dixit. Okay. 226. Okay. Label 22. Got it. Adit. Sir, I'm on label 28. Okay. And this all of them videos are on. Okay. Moksh Pandey. Yeah, you are able to do child. Give a thumbs up that you are able to do the label. Moksh Pandey. And rest I guess are participating in the chat. What about Shreya? You're on which label child? Shreya Khandelwal. Type your label name. You are on which label right now? In the chat. Okay, are you able to do? Fine. Most of you are on label 26. Some are on 30. 16. I didn't understand anything. I am a new student. Please. Who's this? Your name David Gangwal. David Gangwal. Is your video on child? Now I'm on 33. Okay, I'm on 31. Okay, I'm on 50. Okay, after 50 you won't get any new labels. Okay, new student, those who are new. Okay, children, those who are old, they can proceed with this one. Okay, you guys can practice this one. Now, those who are new, those who is new or are new, listen one thing, how you will be doing this. You know steps to log in and all. First, do let me know in the chat. I cracked the level 26 where I got 3 star. Okay. Here's my classmate, Divita Gangwal. Okay. Okay, they've now got it. So see, all the new students who have joined today, just do let me know if you know how to go through all these process and come to this in the hackathon page. Let me know in the chat first that yes, I know how to come to this page, come to this platform where we are doing right now. You know how to go, what, where to go. Everyone who are new, like David and all, type it in the chat. You know this. Please just let me know. So this chat. So this chat. That also me. Okay. Yes, yes. Sir, I don't have the same screen. Sir, I am also new. Akshita Singh. Okay. My questions to all the new joiners in this session is, you know how to open this screen which I am showing you on screen sharing this platform. You know where how to go to this? You know the steps how you will come to this? Yes or no? Just do let me know. Akshita, yes sir. No, not to the older students. Shreya, not to you. I'm talking about the new. Yes, yes, okay. Is there anyone who doesn't know this? Okay, so most of you know that, correct? So now, most of you, not everyone knows that how to come. Yes, yes, I know. Now, see, after you come to this level, there you will get blocks, like you see blocks in your Scratch and App Inventor platform. Same like this, there are blocks, and only this much of blocks will be used to do these levels. Okay, not more than that. You can't make any other blocks and all. Like my blocks is not there, like Scratch over here. So you have to use these blocks. You have to use these conditions. You have to, if you want to do it by variables, I'll tell you. Uh, wait, sir, I cracked. Okay, those who have cracked it, fine. Now this is Dave and this is the items. Okay, most of the time you will get Dave. Okay, after some time, once you are done with this, okay, after once you are done with this, you will see there are some spaceships. Okay, where you have to use spaceship and spaceship move. I must have shown you in the earlier first one which we were doing. Now what you have to do, you have to collect this item. You have to move Dave in such a way so that it collects the items, whatever it is there. And also you have to see how which side Dave is facing. This is the front side of Dave, and the glowing there is a antenna type something. This is the back side of Dave. So you have to assume which side Dave should move, left or right, and then you have to crack the level. Correct, to all the new students. Start doing with the first. Okay, first 5 6 levels are very simple till 6. Seventh one you will see little bit trick. Okay, and if you try to finish till 5, you'll be able to do all those things. Okay, so start with the first one. Okay, start, go to menu. Okay, go to menu and start with first. You will see first over here. Click on first and start doing it, all those new ones, not for the older one. Right, so for this, how many of you have cracked? Let me check the message. I didn't read it. Right amount got to star. Okay, 2 star is compulsory to get at, and this level done with 2 star. Okay. Okay, I have cracked. Okay, sir, I have cracked. Okay, Shubh Dixit. So you were new and then you have cracked it. Good. Alfman Goyal, repeat 2 times. Uh, uh, Okay, I have cracked. Okay, fine. Most of you have cracked this one using your ideas. Okay, and most I see the answers in the chat that most of you have got 2 stars. Okay, that's compulsory, not less than that. And who got 3 stars, that's fine. Crack with 2 star, 2 star. Okay. Now see, we will move one step. I'll not do it. I'll just tell you how it will be. One step, Is facing this side, one step, turn right, again one step, turn left, two steps, again turn right, two steps, turn left, three steps, turn right, three steps. This is the code. If you want, I'll just show you also. Otherwise, you'll get confused. They one step, two steps. Again, Dave turn right. Here also loop, I guess, is there. I don't know, anyone has used repeat in this code? Turn right, move two steps again. Two. He comes over here, turn left three, turn right three. Okay. Turn left three, turn right. This is the code. Sorry. Two, three. Let's check with this first. Let's check with this first if it is doing this. Okay. Okay. And this is fine. We'll get to start with this now. Three, three, turn right. Okay. 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 Turn right, left. One. No, we don't think so. There any loop will be used. Yes, you can use variables, of course. Set A like that. Set A to something and all. You can use that. Yes, sir. It is showing for completing one level you will got the star, but I do not got a star. You will get got star. So see, once you complete any level, right? Okay, I'll tell you, Priyan. Once suppose I complete this level, this one. Okay, just check what will happen. See, I'll run it. So once it's done, it will show this. Okay, well done and all. Okay, and if you want to see code again, you will click on this option. Okay, and if you want to go to the next one, just click on this video. Okay, it will take you to the next one. Most of you have cracked that one. Now here comes this one, using of repeat and all. Let's see who cracks it. This one, last one. We'll try to do this as last for today, which is our 27th. Total stars is we have earned is 69. Okay. Many of you have done till 50 also, right? That's it. So here are the stars which you have got. Will reflect over there. What are the chats coming, sir? Also, I have done. I got 2 star in this level. Okay. I'm the 4 on my screen. Okay. Not completely. You are setting A to 1. Okay. You are taking repeat 4 times. Okay. They step 2. They turn left. They step A. Okay. Again, repeat 2 times. They step left. Okay. They step A. We're setting A to how much? 3, 4, how much step is there? 4, I guess, 3 or 5. Okay, 5. Okay. Then they step A, they've done left, then change A by -1. Correct. You have used variables in this one, correct? I guess. Can you just go a little bit more, Aditya? Little bit, you can put your thing so that I can see the whole code or how you have done. Sir, I'm in level 40. Okay. Yes, correct, Aditya. In my lab, there is an issue in mine. If you allow, I can. Tell me what's the issue. Wait. Same thing is happening. First, it is moving. Suppose one, one, two, three, four, five step, then four, then three, then two. Okay. Wait. Let me tell you how to crack this one. Otherwise, we'll start with this one next. This div is going every time when it is collecting that it shows like can't read or turn right or yeah, it happens sometime. Okay, refresh it, it will be fine. When it is going this div, when he will go to collect this item, he will go 5, then here 4, then here 3, then here 2. Okay, you can see that every time it will decrease one step to collect the item. First 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. And same step he needs to go back also. Means 5 minus 5, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 3, 2 minus 2. Correct. But here you can do -2 also. Otherwise, if he comes here, he will connect it. No need to go back also. But till here, you will see 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. Every time you see it is going how much step further, it is coming back. And every time it is turning right. It is turning right hand side after going 2 steps. 1, 2, turn right. 1, 2, turn right. 1, 2, turn right. 1, 2, turn right. Okay. So first try to do it with the bigger code. Okay. Drag all the blocks one by one. Then you see where you can put somewhere. If you can, you are able to do it like Aditya showed me using variables. You can do it like that also. You can set your variable for that step and you can do it. Or you can just use repeat. Okay, what I have to do, repeat is very easy to do because once you do the bigger code, you try to minimize it and it will give you advantage once you do the code base. So try to do it, crack it, everyone. Most of you might have cracked it because some of you are on level more than the 30 and all. So who are on this level, I have told you what it is. Two, sorry. 2 step turn right, 2 step turn right, and then 5 step -5, 4 step -4, 3 step -3, 2 step -2. So now you can see this one. Crack it. Sir, turn left there, turn left side. Sorry, turn left, not turn right. But it's turn left, not turn right. Every time it is turning left. Okay, try to do this one. Simple, not so tough. Similar to the last one. Right, like this. Tail to step, they turn left, and they turn right. Correct, Anjali. Then, not now, not now. Understand. We keep till here right now, okay? Those who are left, I've told you the trick how to crack this level, okay? Just crack it. We keep till here for today, okay? Not for giving, okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, no worries. So we keep till here. Children, next session I guess is on. Okay, Anjali Dixit is a girl, right? Yes. Okay. So we keep till here, children. Rest in the next session. We'll try to start with the next level. Okay, Devna. Very good. Okay. So let's keep till here for today. Everyone, just take care. Stay safe. Let's meet in the next session. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye. Bye bye.